In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an outline effect for your images in Adobe Express, even though the platform doesn't always offer a straightforward stroke option. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to give your images a polished look using some creative workarounds. Let's dive right into it. To start, open Adobe Express and pull up your design. If you're new to a project, you'll want to head over to the Adobe Express editor and either start from scratch or pick an existing project that you'd like to work on. Once you have your project open, go ahead and bring in the image that you wish to outline. You can either upload a new image or select one you've previously added to your asset library. Now, once your image is in place, we're going to use the Add Frame/Border feature. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a panel. Navigate to the Elements tab, and in the search bar, type in Frame or Border. What Adobe Express does is supply a range of border or frame elements that you can easily implement by dragging and dropping them onto your canvas. Look for a rectangle or any frame shape that complements your image and drag it over to your workspace. Place it just behind your image. This is where you can get a bit creative. Begin by adjusting the size of the rectangle so that your image fits nicely inside it, leaving a comfortable space around the image that will serve as your border. Once you've positioned it correctly, change the color of the rectangle. Use the color picker to switch the rectangle's color to white or any contrasting color of your choice. Instantly, this shape acts as a border around your image, giving it a framed look. If you want to take this effect even further, consider resizing your image on the canvas. First, make your canvas background white, or another color if you're going for a different aesthetic. To make the canvas background white, select the canvas itself or the background layer and change its color accordingly. With the background set, select your image again and navigate to the Size/Scale setting. Shrink your image slightly so it fits comfortably within the canvas with a visible margin of the background color around it. Center your image to ensure an even border on all sides, and voila, you've created a neat white border effect. And there you have it, folks. A simple, effective method to create that much-desired outline effect using Adobe Express. With a few strategic moves, you can transform your images, adding depth and focus without the direct stroke feature. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to try out different shapes and colors for a personalized touch to your designs. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!